Hey guys, welcome back. In the last session, we have seen how to create a stream using the off method. In this session, we'll be seeing creation of a stream using a stream method. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll create a list. I'll create a list, let's say list of strings. Okay, so I'll say I'll be storing some fruit names. Okay, so new linked list, linked, new linked list, and that's fine. Now let's import the list related imports. Okay. Now fruits dot add of. So I'll be saying apple, just copy paste it. Apricot, anjur, banana. So these are the list of fruits we have. Okay. So now what I'll do is I want to create a stream by using these fruits. Okay. So what I'll do is I'll say fruits dot stream method we have to create a stream of a string. So now this will return the stream, and what type of value we are storing? String. That's why we are writing string over here, and you can say that stream of strings. It's cool. So now let's display the stream of strings. Stream of strings dot for each system dot out double colon println. It will be printing the fruits details one by one. First apple will be printed, then apricot, then anjur, then banana will be printed. Okay, so let me comment this part as of now, because we are not dealing with the off method, right? We are checking only the, sorry, here fruits, sorry, okay, here stream of strings, that's fine. Stream of strings, stream of strings, that's fine. Stream of strings, that's fine. We copy this and just paste here. Okay, now let me run as a Java application. Spelling mistakes, always check your spelling mistakes while writing the code. Okay, so we'll run as a Java application. So save it and run. So see here, apple, apricot, anjur, banana. Okay, so this is how we can create an object of a stream using a stream method. Okay, I hope you understood this session. In the next session, we'll be coming up with the new topic. Thank you for watching.